Wellness is a trillion-dollar industry, but it's also a saturated field. And if you want to truly have an impact and make the money you deserve, you need to stand out. What if I told you that there's a method, already proven, that you could implement right away that would give you the opportunity to capture your piece of that trillion-dollar industry? Hang with me a second. There's a reason why wellness experts become experts. It's to make a bigger impact and inspire others to be healthy. But let's face it, if you want to make a career out of it, you have to be able to make money as well. And there's one type of certification that gets you there. You can become the most credible and sought-after wellness entrepreneur. And I'm going to tell you what that certification is. But first, in case we haven't met, hi, I'm Julie Prusak, and my husband Steve and I founded the #1 juice therapy institute in the world. With over 30 years of therapeutic juicing experience, 2 best-selling juicing books, and multiple 6- and 7-figure wellness businesses launched, we've been able to certify over 1,500 wellness leaders in the past 10 years, completely changing their lives. And the ripple effect is massive. Right now, there are hundreds of thousands of general wellness entrepreneurs flooding the market with the latest trends and promises, and they're taking the attention of the same people you need to impact, your clients.
The program definitely increased my knowledge about juicing and juice fasting. I really liked that I could go through the program from home and at my own pace.
So many good things have been coming ever since we graduated this program. I can't stress enough. Our business it's just been booming.
The way it was set up was really easy to follow, really easy to grasp the information.
Trust me, you will love it, you will not regret it, even if it's just for yourself, for your own wellness.
It was the best decision I ever made, teaching my family how to take care of themselves through the process of juicing.
If you are on the fence about whether or not to sign up for the Juice Guru program, jump off the fence, jump into the program. You will not regret it.
If you want to be successful and create the kind of ripple effect we're talking about, you have to stand out. So how do you stand out? Let's jump over to my office so I can explain. So in 2012, Steve and I discovered the key to getting the competitive edge in the wellness field. And we developed the Juice Guru method that's launched over 1,000 successful wellness careers. You need credibility. That's not something you just magically wake up with, unless you have the backing of a name and proper certifications that are widely recognized. You need a specialty. Sure, there are lots of modalities, and even if you're good at many, you need to focus on one. You know the old saying, don't pigeonhole yourself? Well, the money is in the pigeonholes. And the sooner you establish a specialty, the faster you can gain attention and grow. You need guidance from the people who've done it and can give you the blueprints and proven strategies to succeed. You'll stop spinning your wheels and instead, you'll stand out and begin leading the field. Steve and I created Juice Guru Institute to take the most effective healing modality, proven to be superior by science. That's not just another here today, gone tomorrow fad, but centuries old and still works better than anything else, and use the power of juice to guide others to propel their own thriving wellness business. We brought together over a dozen of the leading minds in juicing, wellness, and business building directly to you. And now you can become certified, take the guesswork out, have all the credibility you need lent to you so you can just plug right into it and soar in the wellness space. Now, we would love to give you all the details and take you on a deeper dive into learning more about how this therapy works, but we just don't have time in this short video. So Steve created a free training that you can have private and immediate access to right now. We're a school, so think of this as an open house for adults who want to grow a thriving business. All you have to do is click the link below, go to juiceguruclass.com, and sign up for immediate free access to this open house training. If you're in the wellness space, passionate about making a bigger impact, but you just feel stuck, like you can't generate the kind of income you know you need to, this training is for you. Just click the link below and go to juiceguruclass.com, and we'll see you at the training in a minute.